Hi friends, welcome to another video, and today I'm here with JBL Free. As JBL calls it, it's a truly wireless earphone. You can't say earphone, you can say truly wireless earbuds, somewhat like the Apple AirPods. And here I'm here with the box. So I happened to buy this last week, and I have tested this for 1 week. You can say tested, it means I've used them for 1 week, so I'll be able to tell you some good things about it, some not so good things, because nothing is perfect in technology. It has some defects and it has some good things. So here we are with the JBL Free, and as you see, they mention over here truly wireless in-ear headphones. Over here on the left you can check out the price. It's written 999,000, that's almost 10,000 rupees, and I got it for a discounted price of 5,000 rupees during some sale which was going on. As you see over here, the two earpods are shown over here. If I show you a close look, you can just check them over here. You can see both of them. This is the charging case. As they say that this run continuously for 4 hours, and this gives a charge of 20 hours. That means you can say you can charge this earphones for 5 times and then run for 4 hours each. That comes to 20. It says you can answer calls, you can play music, and they're good for sports also. Over here you will see JBL promises us the JBL signature sound in this video. Again, the same 24 hours combined playback, hands-free calling, comfort fit, and they are also splash proof. And some technical specifications over here. In the box we get the earphones, the earbuds. We get a small and medium large earbuds along with some grip buds of medium and large, the charging case, the cable, and the manuals. I suppose the USB cable is not over here, it's outside. I'll be able to show it to you later. Let's open this package. Since I've used them, so I've just packed them back just to show it to you. Here it's a nice casing and it's written free over here. As you open this, you're greeted with this charging case. Let me just take it out and show it to you. This is the charging case which you get, and it's written JBL, the branding, and the back side they are given all the necessary details which are needs to be given for a wireless or Bluetooth device. Here you can see the socket to charge the case. So here in this case what happens is you charge the case rather than charging the earbuds. You charge this case, and once you place them inside over here, they will be charged. So here you can see the left earphone earbud is for fast forward or rewind. The right one is to play or pause, and if you see this 4 LEDs over here, they show the battery percentage of the charging case. Also over here you can see Bluetooth is connected to the right earbud, and then this is the call end button. So this is for call answering and receiving. Let's just keep this aside and let's check the other contents. Here you have a user manual. Let's open this. Some basic manuals which you get with anything. Here you can see all the technical specifications. There was one more with warranty, but I think I just misplaced it somewhere. If you open this over here, you get the earbuds itself. So this is quite sophisticated design earbuds. As you see over here, it says JBL. Then over here I have installed a small ear tip. This says for the left earphone, and once you plug this over here, it will start charging. As you see, this is showing the battery percentage, and this is charging over here. Let's do also with the right one. So now both of them are getting charged, and also the right one has a microphone over here, as you see. Now let's keep this aside. Over here I suppose we get oops, something has fallen down. Over here we get the earbuds, all of them. So this is something like which is for a full protection earbud if you're not getting a good grip. And this one also the different sizes which you get, and these are the other two. Now let's look at the earphone itself. Now I have just paired my phone with this. Let me just get my phone nearby. Now what will happen is, since this both are switched off, it's switched on automatically. So as you see, if I get it nearby, my Bluetooth is switched on, it's automatically paired with my earphone or with my mobile. So once you remove them out, they get automatically paired with the phone, and that's it, you're good to go. So this, if you press single tap, it will play pause, it will disconnect calls if you're on active call. Also you can answer calls with this. And this one is, if you tap it single times, it will forward the song. If you type it double times, then it will rewind the song. Also with this, what happens is, if you double tap this, it will trigger the Google Assistant, as you will be able to see over here. Just one second, let me do it again. Let me keep the screen on. As you see, the Google Assistant is been launched, and also I have a Google Home Mini over here, as you see. So this is launched over here. Oh, also it heard what I was speaking. Google Assistant has been launched. Yes. So this is the JBL. Now regarding the sound quality, it's like you can say it has a lot of bars, okay, and it has good vocals also. Overall, I feel they are good. I feel they are good to use, and I'm quite comfortable with them. One problem which I face is the left side earbud at times gets disconnected while using. So that's the only thing which I'm facing, current issue. I don't know how it might solve, because it doesn't have any app to control the music or treble. But overall, I love the earphones. They are good, and I feel these earphones are not for everyone, because they're also quite high on rate, and you can say that not everyone would be a user of this. If you're kind of someone who likes to try something which is truly wireless, who is not bothered about battery, who wants something good like for during workouts, then I think you should go for this. The only downside about this is the left side earbud gets disconnected at times, but it regains the signal automatically. Secondly, there is no volume control on this JBL earphones, so that's one con about this. Rest the pros are like, it is good, it has good music quality. This case is built very well. It's bit on the bulky side as compared to the AirPods, don't take me wrong, but I feel it's quite a little bit bulky for me, but it's good. I feel it to be good. And also you get a micro USB cable over here, which is unfortunately kept by me outside at my charging station, so I don't have it right now, but it's a micro USB cable wherein you can connect to your laptop or any other source and charge it. Yeah, thank you, and hope you like this JBL free. Bye bye. See you in my next video.